What was the role of Prince Kapondagaga on the meeting of the 6th March 2024?
You can recall vividly that he was not active in the deliberations. I think, if my memory is not confusing me, he was eating. He had come to eat because we were having the meeting. We had traveled from here, Lilongwe, to Nzuzu from around 3-4. And the time that we were there, it was around 7 or thereabout, and he was eating. He was not active, as in what we were discussing. It was being discussed between the two of us from the fund, the SPC, and the Director Legal, Nyirongo. Thank you.
So you're confirming that Prince Kapondagaga's role in that meeting was to eat? You are telling this committee?
No, I'm trying to say if I'm to capture what he said, I cannot recall what he said, because the way we found him in the meeting, in the boardroom that we were, he was eating.
Kupanga subscribe to our YouTube channel, Malawi News Daily Updates. Kuti nkhani zochitika ku Malawi sema kuphonye. Inyo mjikha munthu yambirira kumva kamene akuonera nkhani zimene.